People think ripe bananas are wasted, but this is when they're sweetest. This is when baking begins. These bananas look old, but they're just getting ready. When the peel turns dark, the sweetness moves inside. That's why I never throw them away.
Mash them slowly. You don't want them smooth like cream. A little texture gives the bread character. Butter makes it tender. Sugar brings everything together. This is where comfort is born. Eggs hold the bread together. Vanilla, that's for warmth. Every home needs a little warmth.
Flour should always be added gently. If you rush this part, the bread will feel it. Baking listens to your hands.
Now mix just until it comes together. Too much stirring makes it tough. Good bread is soft, not rushed.
Pour it slowly. Let the batter settle on its own. It knows where it belongs.
Now we wait. The oven will do the hard work. Soon, the whole house will smell like comfort.
That smell means it's ready. Some recipes never fail.
Every loaf turns out a little different, but it always feels the same, warm and familiar.